Hello home buyers, I'm here in Heritage Palms again today. I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful golf course property. I just want to remind you I specialize in all the 55 plus communities of Coachella Valley. Heritage Palms is just one of them. Next I'm going to talk to you about the location of Heritage Palms. A view of the satellite mode, and we're going to walk through Old Troon Court today. That's this red dot, west facing mountain views of the San Jacinto and Santa Rosa Mountains. Heritage Palms is separated into two sections, all the same HOA. This is the north section, and separated is Fred Waring, and you could take the transponder gate to get across the street, or you could use your golf cart and walk underneath Fred Waring. There's a tunnel. But the amenities and the sports facilities are going to be found here on the south section of Heritage Palms. Heritage Palms is centrally located in your close access to the 10 freeway, Highway 111. Fred Waring is a very good street for getting over to Palm Desert or Indian Wells. The price tag for this one is $609. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with 2,061 square feet. This home does offer golf cart parking. That's the window for it. I'll show you when I'm inside. But first, let's focus on this cute little courtyard. The backyard is west facing, which that would make this east facing here in the courtyard. So you get the morning sun. And when it's hot in the afternoons, you can come sit out here with that west facing exposure. Usually summertime is when it's going to get pretty toasty out there. They do have a nice aluminum wood patio cover, and there are excellent mountain views that I'm going to show you. So here's that wide open floor plan. Den's right here, but you'll have to use your imagination for the furniture. It's an easy to understand floor plan. We got the living space on this side of the house, and then our 2 bedrooms, 1, 2, and then our den right here. So let's start with the den. Got the French doors on there, so when you do have, your furniture established in this large living room, you can close it up and hide whatever's going on. Maybe you got a messy office. It's our second bathroom. It's got a tub in there. Our garage is right here, and I'll show you how the golf cart parking works. Just pull into the side there. A lot of people are going to be using their golf carts for this lifestyle. It's a country club lifestyle offered here at Heritage Palms, and a lot of golfers, but even if you're not a golfer, you're going to be using that clubhouse to get up to, you're going to be using that golf cart to get up to the clubhouse and experience the different clubs and events going on daily. A lot of people use the indoor lap lane pool here for their exercise, especially when it gets hot. It's nice to have that controlled environment, even though the resort pool is ready for you outside if you prefer the outdoors. Okay, so we looked at the second bedroom. I'm going to take you through the primary, and then we'll walk through our second living room and kitchens right there. But first, let's knock out this primary bedroom with west-facing views of the San Jacinto Mountains. Might be hard to capture on the camera, but we got San Jacinto and Santa Rosa's out the backyard. I'm excited to show you the full picture once I get out there, but this is your primary view. This house is, for the most part, original, but well taken care of. The carpet obviously is going to be not original, but a lot of the framework looks to be original when they built the place, but I'm not showing anything age other than obviously maybe someone's preference if they want something more contemporary, but this house has been loved. All right, so we got the 2 bedrooms and the den complete. This is that large open area, and then we have a TV area over here and our kitchen. A lot of people ask about fireplaces. Why would I need a fireplace in the desert? Well, for the winter time, there's about 3 months of perfect fireplace weather. And these fireplaces aren't like the old school wood fire burners. It doesn't necessarily put out too much heat. The ambiance of having a fireplace is really cool vibes. I've enjoyed living with the fireplace. Most people do when they have it, but it's a common question when you're searching for homes here in the desert. It's kind of a question mark for a lot of people. Why would you need a fireplace? But it's a dry cold in the wintertime. Perfect coat weather, perfect fireplace weather or temperature. Okay, we'll conclude this tour in the backyard, the west-facing mountain views. I see some golfers out there. Common upgrade with the west-facing exposure of these aluma wood patio covers, super low maintenance. You may be painted every 10 years. That just helps combat that end of the day heat. With west-facing, you get these extraordinary mountain views, but you do get the end of the day heat, and the sun is lower, so the sun's gonna be like right there, kind of at a lower, and it can enter your house. And that's why they got the plantation shutters on the window here, and that's why they got this aluma wood patio cover, and that's why they got this drop-down shade. So no problem. You wanna look at these mountain views, I get it. You just gotta combat or create some solutions to prevent the sun, the solar heat from entering through your windows and creating that greenhouse effect. It will make your air conditioning work a little bit harder. But as you can see, no problem. It's worth the sacrifice so that we can look at these excellent mountain views, and in this case, be on the golf course.